Friends and family keep asking me, Adam, how do you run a business like online from anywhere in the world? How do you do that? And get to travel to different countries, and just like I'm doing right now from Morocco, for example. Okay, I am right now and I get to actually live in very nice places too. This is not Airbnb. This is my own apartment here. Okay, look at this beautiful view behind me. This is the whole terrace, the whole patio. My bedroom, for example, you get to walk in from here to see it. Quickly near Spain on the border, in northern Morocco, like a small condo, like a penthouse, for example. Everything is. This is my kitchen. This is my, my whole patio. See how big that is. Run a simple digital life. From here, got my office here. Very simple setup. You don't need much here. You just need to have a strategy. Okay. I used to work over 70 hours in my restaurants business. In California, I used to run a restaurant business. That comes with a lot of headaches. Okay. Cost me like over $300,000 just to build a restaurant. Okay, that comes with like really a lot of headache, like staff headache, insurance, rent, leases, the lawsuits, you name it. The list is huge. Plus, taxes and everything else. I was in a jail. I was there like 70 hours to 75 hours a week dealing with BS stuff, And at the end of the month, I had nothing left, to actually show for, missing out on family time, missing out on everything, fun. Nothing. Really, I was just stuck in that freaking business, paying bills. That's it. Okay. There's no life. Comparable to this, I can travel anywhere and live a luxury like this. This is empty, by the way. Okay. I like it like that. I always have my desk here, my laptop. My whole place is empty. It's peaceful. Okay. I got my kitchen, got everything I need here. Boom, boom, boom. I got my bedroom over there, like I showed you. I don't need much. I just need freedom. Switching from that lifestyle, doing it from home, from anywhere I want to, whether you are in the US or overseas, doesn't matter. I spend 2 hours, I have a system. I sell digital products. I don't sell any physical Amazon, drop shipping, crypto, any of that crap stuff. You don't need that. Okay. People need right now coaching, and you need a done for you coaching program that is you can sell for 100% profit. This is not about affiliate marketing. This is about earning 100% profit from a digital product that should be done for you, the community, and everything else. So I spend like 2 hours a day. Sometimes shoot like fun videos like this. Honestly, and of course, I also teach marketing. This is my lifestyle. This is simple, easy, and it brings me over six figures a year. That's crazy. It's insane. Okay, but I had to build it from scratch, and I had to build a custom built system. That actually sell that digital product for me, because people want what they want: results. They want money. They want to start an online business, and this is a niche I am in. This is what I sell. Let me show you exactly, how that works. Okay, it's very simple. Basically, I shoot videos like this, and then I, post them on YouTube. Sometimes on also on TikTok. Here, you see, for example, or Instagram. I mean, very simple, easy, content. This doesn't take me more than a few minutes, like I'm doing right now, for example. Okay, and people get to connect with me, and I'm honest with everyone. This is what I need. This is what I do. Okay, and they want to learn marketing. They want to learn digital marketing, for example. They have nothing to sell, so basically they come to my this page from the social media, and they get to actually know me better. Okay, that's what I do, and then they actually opt in from this page, and they click on gain access. Now they end up on this page. Okay, and they watch my webinar. But I break down everything about online marketing step by step. It's a free webinar that will blow your mind. I will I'm revealing all the secrets there. Seriously, I'm not hiding anything, because I've been through this for the last 6 years, and I know I've been, on different business models online, and went through all the bullshit. I highly encourage you, if you're watching me right now, watch this webinar. This is going to change your life. This webinar. Okay? So people do that, and you know, I set up the whole business for them. You can copy my whole entire business if you want to. This is done for you stuff. Okay? Let me show you also, the money comes in straight to my Stripe account. For example, this is a congratulations, Adam Shamsin. You just received a payment of $900. Okay, this is a payment of $900. So system works automatically for me while I'm actually asleep or traveling, going to the beach here or whatever I'm doing. This setup, like you saw right now, coming from the social media, and short video sometimes, it barely takes me like barely 2 hours a day, and I don't work every day. Like I do like maybe 3 to 4 days a week, like 4 times 2. Are you kidding me? Like I'm doing like 8 to 10 hours a week maximum, just shooting videos sometimes, and then bring people into my and be honest with them and tell them, hey, listen, if this is how you do it. You need to learn digital marketing, and I can get you up and running and install everything for you while you're learning, so you can start getting sales. And this is a bonus I'm offering right now in July. If you watch, depends on when you're watching this video, okay? I will install everything, my whole entire business. You can clone it. I will clone it to you, into your account, and for pennies on the dollars. This is not going to cost you $200,000, $300,000 business. So I built everything. Digital product is done for you. The marketing system is done for you. The branding, I have the webinar, you can use it. People come in from the social media and they will watch it. I will do everything for you. The selling, the telling on the webinar, and people actually join, and then the program, and they join you, and they would pay you straight to your bank account. 100% profit. If you're interested, look, people contact me through Messenger if they have any questions. Okay. But you won't have any questions. Just watch the webinar. It's going to be a video somewhere. Or actually, you can DM me, type in freedom. Depends on you watching this on TikTok or Facebook or YouTube. So hit me up, and then let's get you going. Let me help you actually get the same lifestyle. Let me actually help you, start a business. Okay. Freedom is a choice. It's not like it's not going to come to you. You have to actually you have to take your first step, and then, get a business installed and start working on it, and then you can fly. That's how it works. It doesn't happen overnight. Contact me. It doesn't matter where you are watching this video right now. There is millions ways you can contact me. Adam Shamsin, DM me. You can go to my freedomadam.com, whatever you like. I'm available everywhere. Okay. I will see you there. Bye bye. Take care for now.